Hi, my name's Jay, and welcome to Slam Academy.
This is Slam Academy. We're a diverse family of working musicians with one important common bond, a deep love for the creative process of making music.
I hate every preset I've ever listened to. I just want to make all my own sounds. You have to have your own sound, otherwise you're not going to stick out.
United by our passion for creating, the Slam family exists to educate and support musicians of any age, any level, and in any genre.
I had been more to creating electronic music. Once I stepped into sound design, I was like, this is electronic music. This is like what I envisioned it being like.
Our community lives on and offline with live stream group classes, as well as in-person programs in Minneapolis. Our instructors meet you where you are and work to accelerate your musical journey to where you want to be.
It was frustrating in college being with all the music majors. You had all these classical musicians and I'm over here making beats, and I come here and I feel like these last 9 months I've learned more, way more for what I need to be doing.
With detailed courses in DJing, music production, recording, sound design, and more, Slam Academy is ready to show you what it takes to be an industry professional.
I was pleasantly surprised with how much I really could take away after only 12 sessions. I finished up and I am walking out with exactly the tools that I need to finish projects.
We want you to become a part of the Slam Academy family.
We've made for you here the most comprehensive Ableton Live program we could imagine. It's designed to take you from novice to pro. It'll have project files, instrument downloads, special guests, and a lot more. Now, I've divided this class into 6 different sections so that you can focus on what you want to learn right away. However, to really take full advantage of the program, start at the beginning and go to the end, or at least make sure you take all the sections at some point. In this first class, we're going to try to dive in quick. We're going to work on the interface and just generally how to get you up and running, making some music with Live quickly. We'll focus on the 2 views of Live, how to navigate in Live, recording both audio and MIDI in Live, general signal flow and editing tricks you can do in Live, MIDI editing, automation, groove pool, and we'll take apart a couple tracks just to see how they're working in a full session. Now, the biggest thing that gets people hung up on Live when they're first getting started, especially if they've worked in another audio program before, is this 2 views of Live thing, okay? So think about it like this. Live has, okay, let's do another session deconstruction like we did before. This is another track of mine that I thought we'd just take a look at. Not that I'm okay, what I have here is the first part of that same track laid out into session view. So let me show you how that would work. So you can see my track thing is Ableton Live's big engine for keeping sounds in time with each other, which is why DJs like this program so much. So we've talked about editing a little bit so far. We've talked about moving clips around, talked about shortening clips, lengthening clips, but let's get a little bit deeper into what we need to do to build a whole track out of these clips.